Somewhere along the way, many of us picked up a quiet, heavy belief. Maybe I'm just hard to love. It doesn't usually arrive in a single moment. It creeps in through heartbreaks, through the times we felt overlooked, through the comparisons that made us feel less than. Over time, the belief settles in, and we start carrying it as truth. We shrink, we doubt, we overcompensate. Because if love feels scarce, we start believing we must earn it. But here's the thing, being loved has never been about being perfect, easy, or flawless. Love that only exists when you're convenient isn't love, it's performance. Healing begins with unlearning the idea that you are too much or not enough. It begins with realizing that love isn't something you have to chase or prove. It's simply you are worthy of simply because you exist. You heal each time you remind yourself that your flaws don't cancel out your beauty. Your mistakes don't erase your worth, and your scars don't make you unlovable. You heal when you stop measuring yourself against the version of you that someone else wishes you to be. And while self love doesn't replace the need for connection, it gives you roots. It teaches you to stop settling for crumbs when you deserve the feast of someone's genuine care. It teaches you that being loved starts with being real, not being perfect. So when the old belief whispers that you're hard to love, pause, breathe, answer it with gentleness. I am not hard to love. I just needed to learn what love actually feels like. And the truth is, you are entirely, deeply, and beautifully worthy of it. Always have been. Always will be.